Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games in the Google Play Store on Honor 70 Lite. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here if we try to find any game like Call of Duty, as you can see there's no results that we're looking for. And to fix this, we'll need to click on our profile picture in the top right corner of the Google Play Store and move to the settings, enter family and parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games and insert the pin code and then increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. And now we can try to find the game again. It's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.